now ready to begin step 3 of the design process. To review, we've already defined the problem. We've made sure the problem exists, and we've created our design brief. Step 2, we generated concepts by brainstorming sketches, and then using a decision matrix to define the solution that we want to build. Now we're ready to start building it. First thing we do in step 3 is to develop technical drawings. We're going to start out fairly simple with just doing basic sketches, but we'll eventually move on to where we use a CAD program to create working drawings that will show every dimension and detail that we needed to build a project. The idea of your technical drawings is to be able to give them to someone that they will then be able to make the object that you have designed. As you work through developing your technical drawings, if at any time you need to go back and redefine the problem or generate more ideas, you are allowed to. The idea of this is to always make sure that what you designed is solving the problem as we work through. Once you have developed a working solution, now it's time to start building a prototype. Once your prototype is built, then you will start being able to test it. In our current project, we'll be testing our prototype on the wire to see how far it goes. You will be allowed to do this many times, and as you do each time, you need to make sure that you record your data so you know exactly what it does with each test. If for any reason you come to where your prototype's not working or does not solve the problem, again, you are allowed to go back to the design process and start over at any step that you need to. Maybe you need to go back and relook at what you're trying to solve by defining the problem. Maybe you need to go back and create new designs. So you do start back at develop or generating concepts. Or you can go back and redevelop your solution at any time also, and create and modify your technical drawings. This is a process that can repeat over and over again until you get a prototype that you're happy with. As you test your prototype, you're constantly evaluating whether it meets the solution or not. You always look at ways to improve your design, a way to improve your prototype, to get the results that you want. Again, you're constantly repeating this process over and over again, modifying your solution, testing it, building it, and evaluating what can I do to make it better. As you continue on, again, you're always looking for ways to improve your project. You are always able to start over any steps that you need to as you continue on. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're then ready to move on to step 6. Step 6 is to document your project and create some type of presentation or formal in order to present your solution. We'll be doing a variety of types of this. Some of our present solution steps will be writing a report, along with group presentations or individual presentations. There are many ways to do this, but the idea is to get your idea to present your solution and what you've done and what you've developed. One of the most important things about the design process is the ability to start over whenever you need to. At any steps, if you feel like something needs to be changed, you can always go back to a previous step and redo it, and keep going over and over again until you've decided that you are happy with your design, that you know that it's solved the problem at hand, and that you're ready to present it.